The single largest investment most people will make in their lives is in the purchase of a home. It becomes our pride and joy, and we do our best to maintain and protect our investment. With unpredictable weather, families can often be left in the dark with extended power outages. Those outages can also put your food supply at risk, limit your ability to heat your home, and create an unsafe environment with candles burning as your source of light. A portable home generator helps to alleviate the stress of an extended power outage. This video will go over the steps of connecting and safely running your generator. In our example, the portable generator is equipped with a remote start option. Please remember that safety is always your first priority when dealing with electricity or any electrical equipment. First, using the appropriate power cord, connect to the outlet installed on the outside of the home. While connecting, be sure that the prongs are properly lined up and that the cord is rotated clockwise upon insertion. Next, connect the other end of the cord to the generator itself. Make sure that the power button and circuit switch are both in the on position. The next step requires that you have access to the circuit panel in your home. Now you will turn off the main circuit breaker, slide the transfer safety to the left, and turn on the transfer switch. Now you're ready to start your generator. And that's it. You now know how to safely connect and run your portable home generator. Remember, generators should only be used outdoors with enough clearance to allow for exhaust. Here's a few important tips for operating your portable home generator. Always be sure to fill the generator with gas and have a full can of gas available in case you run out. Always turn off the generator before you disconnect the power cord. Prepare in advance. If you know a storm is coming, connect your power cord to your generator so you don't have to go out in the middle of a storm. And finally, always supervise the operation of your portable home generator. Never leave your home with your generator running. Contact your local electrical contractor for more details about installing a portable home generator.